not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Ada, a YouTuber based in Delta State, Nigeria. To my old subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my videos. So today's video is going to be all about how I welcomed my husband home after a while. In my previous vlog, I told you guys that my husband traveled to the village on the 30th of December. His cousin sister got married on the 31st of December, so he also spent the new year with them in the village. So he's going to be coming back today. Actually, he's on his way coming back. So the last time I spoke with him, he told me that they were approaching Asaba at that point. So by now, I think they might be getting close, because from Asaba to this place is about 2 to 3 hours drive. I want to do some clean up around the house, clean some places, change the bed spread, arrange some few things in the house, and wait for him to come back. He also told me that he wants me to prepare catfish pepper soup with white rice. So after the cleaning and everything, I will quickly rush to the market and buy catfish and prepare the catfish pepper soup for him. You guys know now, he loves catfish pepper soup a lot. And what else? You guys have really missed my husband. Like, this past 1 week has been like a one whole year for me. Like, this house has been so quiet and so bored without him. Can't wait for him to come back. Like, I've really missed him a lot. So let's just go ahead and do some things before he gets it.
I dey mad for you, I dey crazy for you. They say I dey do like say I be fool, but I am a fool for you. Make it them the talk, now them get it their mouth. Anything you need in him, I go buy my money, now your money. Moo 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 moo, make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. I am a moo moo. Make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. You dey do me bad, but I no care. Without your love, your sweet love, I go die. When we kiss, you touching me like this. Chima, you too sweet. I am your moo moo. Make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. Fool for love. Make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. Make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. Make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. Make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. Make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. Live am for me, anyhow she be. Na me the love am, na so I like am. Oh, live am for me, live am for me, anyhow she be. Na me the love am, na so I like am. Oh, live am for me, live am for me. Na me the love am, na so I like am. Oh, live am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Oh, her neck is too long, her leg is too short. Her nyash is no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Oh, her neck is too long, her leg is too short. Her nyash is no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am.
Hey guys, as you guys can see, hubby is back. Like, you can see the excitement on my face, because he came back with this big bag. Jesus, this bag is heavy. With this one, see another one here. Where are you going to? See. So we are going to unbox them one after the other. So where do I start? Okay, he also came with this leaf. This is our native leaf. Awa, or should I let me just call it the way we call it? This is Ewa. Hey, this here, allow me to do this in peace now. Where are you going to? So first of all, let's check. I think this is abacha. This is abacha. Yes, I said it. This is abacha, African salad. So this is everything. Actually, my mom and my mom-in-law gave me all this that you can see here. They contributed all this. So, Mama. So if you need abacha, drop it in the comment section. Let me cut small for you. So this is red oil. This is 3 liters of red oil. Take. It's not food though. And here is also another oil. Direct from home, homemade, original one, not colored oil. So I have oil. So let's open this one. So let's check what is there. You guys, do you know this? This is a chicha. I don't know. I don't know. Oh God. So let's move another one here.
Next one.
So what is this? Mama, leave there.
Yes.
Leave there, leave there. Don't fall my tripod. Though. Leave there.
Next.
What is this?
Blue. Yellow.
This is fear. They put it together with the chicha. Can you see it? This is fear. Abubu. I don't know the English name. I remember the English name. I will be inserting it in the script. So, hey, Opa. I can perceive it, Opa. Although these people want to finish me. Hey, I said this is Opa. This is Opa. It's very big one. In fact, I will tear it. I don't even want to. Hey, you guys, this is called Opa Enugu State. Look at it. Look at Opa. Hey, if you need Opa or need Opa bag, drop it in the comment section. I will surely bill it. I will bill it to you wherever you are. Hey, this is my favorite. I've missed this like since the last time I traveled to Enugu. That was October. I've not eaten Opa since that time. So, I said my leave there. What's this? That is not be what I'm thinking. Is this happening? You guys, I think this is happening. I don't know what's inside it. I said it. This is apple from my mother-in-law, for my husband, not for me. I eat apple, but not this much. You guys can see it. If you want apple, drop it in the comment section. I thought, bro. This is Gary. Hey, I've bust one. Oh, I've just bust one. Gary. Gary. and burst it. You guys, another garri here. And another garri. Also, another garri. And then this leaf. You guys, if you are from Enugu State in Kano Preside, you should know this leaf. It's called Ewa. Ewa leaf is the native leaf. The place they are doing traditional marriage or anything ceremony in a Kano land without cooking our soup. Very delicious. Don't worry, you guys. Maybe you guys are in this channel. When I will make the soup, I will film it for you guys so that you guys will see it. Just that you guys cannot test it. I wish you can test it. And they bought a bunch of it for. So this is 2 here. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. But my mom and my mother-in-law, they don't watch my videos. Had even they are watching my videos, they would have seen how happy I am unboxing all these gifts. But I will still call them. After this video, I'm rushing to call them to thank them. It's not easy, man. Like, I didn't expect all this. Like, what did I do for them this Christmas? I didn't expect all this. I'm so happy. God. I'm just happy because of all this, especially this one. You guys, this one. Where is knife set? Let me start eating one. Oh my God! Hey, Bawawa, you can't buy again. Don't blame me, don't know it. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you absolutely enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. But let me just go and enjoy this thing with chilled coke. Like that catfish pepper soup and white rice, I will not even eat it this night. This will be my food this night.